Do you need a reliable and versatile liquid introduction system for your analyzer? Look no further than AIM3300 autosampler. The AIM3300 is the most flexible autosampler in the AIM range. This system offers communication ports and holds a maximum of 3 sample racks and 2 standard racks, as well as a 2 or 3 channel variable speed wash pump. We offer a wide range of sample probe kits to cater for different sample matrices, along with either off-the-shelf or custom sample racks and mat options if required. Additional unique accessories include a mobile rinse station and septum piercing capabilities. The AIM3300 can accommodate different vial sizes, depending on the sample volumes required for your specific application. Save time, increase efficiency, and ensure accurate results with the AIM3300 autosampler. Contact us today to discuss your autosampler requirements and how Brooks can support your success.